In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly trade ERC20 tokens for BEP20 tokens using Trust Wallet. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your Trust Wallet app. When you launch the app, you'll notice you have various features and options at your fingertips. Here, you can send, swap, fund, and sell your tokens. All your tokens will be visible and accessible from this main dashboard, keeping everything you need in one convenient place. If you're on a mobile device, this next step is pretty straightforward. Simply locate and click on the Discover button. You'll find this at the bottom right corner of your screen. It's your gateway to accessing a vital tool we're going to use today, PancakeSwap. Enter the URL PancakeSwap fee of finance into the space provided to open up the platform. Now, if you're following along on a laptop, the process is slightly different. You'll navigate directly to PancakeSwap's website using your preferred web browser. A vital step here for both mobile and laptop users is to ensure that your Trust Wallet is connected to PancakeSwap. This is crucial because it allows you to transact smoothly between the two token systems. Once you're on PancakeSwap and connected, it's time to select the tokens you want to exchange. First, look for the token selection area. Here, you'll choose the ERC20 token you wish to trade. Then, in the TO section, you'll select the BEP20 token you'd like to receive. After you've made your selections, you'll need to specify the amount of ERC20 tokens you wish to convert. Enter this amount carefully to avoid any mistakes. Once you've double-checked everything and are certain that the details are correct, go ahead and click on the Swap button. When you click Swap, you'll likely encounter a prompt on your screen. This will guide you through the final confirmation process. Follow the on-screen instructions closely and meticulously. The prompts are designed to ensure everything is processed correctly and securely. Take your time to review the details once more during this stage. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you have successfully converted your ERC20 tokens into BEP20 tokens using Trust Wallet. It's quite an easy and convenient process once you get the hang of it. Whether you're on a phone or laptop, this guide should make your token swapping experience simple and efficient. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy trading!